So today I want you guys to work on an exploratory activity on exponents. The file can be found in Schoology, and it's a NSpire file. So we're going to open it up. What you're seeing now is my iPad. And I think you know this routine, but I'm going to go to my block 4. Doesn't matter which block you're in. And in Chapter 8 folder, there is this Exponent Rules file. Of course, it says it can't view it, but it will be able to if you open in your NSpire CAS up there in the upper right. We've done that before. You also should have a worksheet. Your subs should have given you a worksheet today to go along with this activity. So this activity covers all of Chapter 8. Obviously, we don't expect you to master all of Chapter 8 in this 30 minutes of exploring, but hopefully you can figure out some of the rules. So each file, each page number, this is page 1.2, matches page 1.2 on your worksheet. So it says product of two powers with like bases. So on this document here, this page, it says calculate the expression several times, choosing any of the values shown for m and n. Make and test a conjecture. And a conjecture here is basically, you know, a rule. What do I think the rule for this is when I multiply two like bases with different exponents? And again, those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the different numbers we're going to put in for m and n. So this side over here, this right side, is just a calculator document. So I can maybe put in, let's put in 2 to the first power. I have to arrow over to make sure that my blinker isn't up in the exponent, times 2 to the second. Okay, and that calculator tells me that's 8. Well, 2 to the first is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. All right, let's do another one. Let's pick 2 to the second times 2 to the third. Okay, that is 32. For this whole series of activities, it's going to be helpful if maybe on the side of your worksheet you write a long list of 2 to different powers. 2 to the 0 power is 1. 2 to the first power is 2. Etc. 2 squared or 2 to the second power is 4. If you have that list handy, you can look and see right away, all right, 32 is 2 to the 5th power. Sorry, I wish I could highlight on here. I can't using this document, but the 8 we got for the first answer, if you think about it, that's the same as 2 to the 3rd power, right? The second problem I did, 32 is the same as 2 to the 5th power. So I'm doing this first one with you, but if you run enough tests, we would hope you could come to the conclusion that the rule is 2, the base of, or whatever the base is, the base, and then you add the exponents, m plus n. Let me just switch to Notability so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to write a quick note. Sorry, old file. Okay, what I mean here is when I did 2 times, I did this problem, that was 8. Well, I also know that 2 to the 3rd power equals 8. When I did 2 squared times 2 to the 3rd, the calculator told me that was 32. Well, I also know 2 to the 5th is 32. So hopefully I run some tests and I see 1 plus 2 is 3. I see that 2 plus 3 is 5. So if I write a conjecture, it might just be something like this. If you have the base is the same, if you have a to the m power and a to the n power, then you just add the exponents. And that is the main idea for lesson 8.1, which is what your homework is on tonight, and you're also going to take notes. But we want you to spend some time exploring these other rules that you're going to learn throughout the chapter. Good luck.